Lecture 3, we're going to be talking about vectors. So vectors are going to come in two flavors when we do matrix theory. A vector can be a row vector. It can be a row vector. But it could also be a column vector. So that leads to two definitions. I want to talk about a row matrix, also known as a row vector. And I also want to talk about the column matrix, also known as the column vector. So a row matrix is any matrix with one row. Any matrix with one row. So an example of a row matrix might be a matrix with one row. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a matrix with one row, but notice that it has 4 columns. Its row is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and its 4 columns are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a matrix with only one row. We're going to call this a row matrix or a row vector. So this can also be called a row vector. Okay, so now going back to the column matrix, a column matrix is going to be any matrix with one column. With one column. And we also call this a column vector. So what's a good example of this? Well, a column matrix is going to be any matrix with one column. So let's do the column matrix 5, 6, 7. So notice that this matrix has one column, but it has 3 rows, 5, 6, 7. And since it only has one column, its one and only column is going to be 5, 6, 7. So this is called a column matrix, and any matrix with one column is going to be called a column matrix.